Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to lower your VE Commodore with padded springs. I don't know, I can't remember how big they are, but there's the number on there. 2955 padded springs. Mine are already fitted to the struts, so it's an easy swap out and put them back in. So yeah, I'll show you how to remove the actual spring from the strut later on in the video. Just keep watching. Okay, first of all, what you need to do is jack your car up, and if you don't have axle stands, you can see I'm using an old stock wheel just in case the car falls, so it's got something to land on, so it doesn't land on me. Then you will need to undo your wheel. So I've already undone most of the nuts. I'm just going to finish them up now. That over there. And what you need to do next we need to get the old strut and spring out. So what you need to do is undo that bolt there on the lower control arm. Then you need to undo, just hold on guys, just this one here. Sorry about the lighting. I'll try to get it for you. That one there, which is just under sorry about the lighting guys, that one there, which is just under the caliper. And then you got the 4 bolts. 4 bolts up the top. That one there. That one there. That one there, that one there, and then on the other side the same thing. Yeah, so you need to do that one off the lower control arm, that one there, under the caliper, and the 4 up the top. You can see that one there, that one behind there, and there's another 2 on the other side. So just bear with me while I undo those ones. Alright guys, now that all the bolts are out, there's one more thing that you can do to make it easier to remove the whole assembly. You want to undo the sway bar from here, up behind the exhaust here. That's the nut right there, right there. I'm going to undo that now, and the whole thing will just drop down and the assembly will come out. To undo it, just leave it hanging down like that. It'll be fine like that. Alright, now once that's undone, it'll be easier to remove the whole strut and spring assembly out of the vehicle. Just bear with me. So grab a tripod. Alright, I'm going to remove the whole assembly now. Just move this out of the way. What you want to do is press down on the lower control arm, and this should just swing it out. And get it out of there. It's a pain getting this out. Start again. Yeah, that's the assembly out of there. Now I'm going to show you what to do if you want to put the springs in yourself as well. See this bit on the top here? All you need is an Allen key. Yeah, a size 8 Allen key. Put it over the top like that. And you will need a spanner, size 18. And all you do is, you just, it's a bit tough right now, sorry. Try and do it, all you do is swing it to the left. And it should come out. So I'm not going to show you right now. But that's how you do it. Just the Allen key in the top, size 18, size 8 Allen key in the top like that, and the size 18 spanner around the nut. That's what you do if you want to remove the spring from the shocker. Alright, set that aside for now. And here's my new strut with a Petter's lowered spring attached to it. As you can see, I'm just gonna make sure when you do put the spring and strut back together, make sure this is facing in the right way. Otherwise, you have a great deal of problem trying to twist it around. Another good thing to have is when you're removing the spring off the strut is get yourself a pair of spring compressors. I got mine for about $20 from Super Tape Auto. Yeah, all you do is compress the spring and it won't pop out on you when you're trying to do it. And it makes it easier. It'll compress the spring, it'll make it easier to put the cap back on and screw it back on once the spring is compressed. Alright, now refitting. It's pretty much the same thing as you did taking it off. But what you want to do is put the top in first. Once you get it back in there, you want to make sure that those bottom holes line up. One there, make sure it lines up all the way through. And what you want to do is put one of the bolts in there. Bottom bolt in there. No, you might need a hammer for this. You might not. Just to put it through. Because it is a bit tough to put through there. Yeah. Just put it on the side. Might have to wiggle it around a little so the holes line up. Like that. Hit it with the hammer. Okay. And then put that nut on the other side so it doesn't come out. Just for now. And then what you want to do next is do the top up. So we'll back up the top there. And get it off the tripod. Sorry about this, guys. Alright. So what we want to do is get off the top bolt. What you got to do is push the bottom up, hold it up there, and do the bolts up. I'm going to pause the video for a second because I haven't got enough hands to hold the camera and do the bolts up. So just bear with me. Alright guys, once you got the bottom in and the top bolts in, all you need to do now is tighten them all and redo the sway bar bolt, and then redo the other top bolt there, and that's the side done. You can put your wheel back on, and that concludes the video. If you want to do the other side, do the same thing, and that is how you replace or lower your VE Commodore with new coil springs. Thank you for watching.